99 problems, but a mortgage ain't one. Well, look at this. It looks like a full house down here at the beach. Class A, Class C, Class C, Class B plus, about the size of mine. Ooh, that's a pretty funky looking Class B. Wow, weird. Well, good morning. Yep, water streaming in. Holy God. How's it going? Your bike's gonna blow away. Holy cow, no wonder my hot water wouldn't stay lit. It's fucking... The rain's gone, and now it's just... Whew. Better not park near a tree. I wouldn't have my awning out today. What can I say? It's kind of exciting. We've had nothing but sun and heat and droughts for the last few months, and all of a sudden we get a rainstorm and then a windstorm all in 24 hours. It's awesome. Gotta love the West Coast. Hear all the noise from the sailboats in the yacht club there? All the parked boats. Sounds like a bunch of cowbells. Doesn't stop Vancouver joggers. We don't care.
Emergency crews. And this comes just one day.
Anybody wants a Aurora Class B wide body? It's a Class B plus actually. That's what they call these. I used to own one exactly like this one. This is a early 80s. It's either 81, 2 or 3, I believe. Maybe it's 84. It's a Chevy front end, dually. You can't quite stand up in it unless you're really short. I had the same one as this a few motorhomes back. I completely pimped it out. New hardwood floors, new paneling, new everything. Even had a flip down TV that came down from the ceiling. It was gorgeous. Anyways, this one is pretty bare bones. Still has everything in it. I know the owner. He's living in a motorhome nearby to this one. This is his other one, and he wants to sell this. I don't think he wanted too much for it. I'll have to ask him the price. Anyone's interested though, just shoot me a message here on YouTube, and I'll talk to him for you. Okay, cheers.
Every 10 minutes on the one. For the BMW store, Leah, I'm seeing the wind out the window. That must be causing some trouble for you in the traffic center.
I can't even keep up with all the power outages and all the trees that have come down, Kristen. It is pretty crazy out there right now. Let's just say that for the least. I have way too many trees to mention, but a couple areas that are really affected is a tree has fallen down in Burnaby on Marine Way eastbound just before the Queensboro Bridge. Eastbound traffic is blocked. Also King George Boulevard in South Surrey at the Nickel-Mackle River, and also on Highway 1 as you're traveling eastbound through the Langley, Abbotsford, Aldergrove area. Definitely dangerous driving through that stretch. Trees are just snapping off and landing in front of vehicles, so be careful with that. And also a big tree in Surrey on 72nd Avenue eastbound right before you get off of the highway. Looks like that's the new one. And also trees down on 13th and Blanca. We have lights flashing red at Granville and Gilbert. Lots of power outages out there. It looks like just under 20,000 Lower Mainland customers are without power right now. Just a couple
knocked out in a number of areas. So if you are driving around, make sure you're using the four-way stops. Be careful. Be safe.
And now I got
We want you to get where
the
you're going
geese in my way.
safe. Here's the weekend with us on Vancouver's #1 hit music station, 94.5 Virgin Radio.
Pick up your Keep on Rockin' in the Free World sticker now, or choose from some of the others over on my site at justincredible.net.